here we go, right? This thing is starting to rip. Along with the rest of the market, everything's taken off. Bitcoin broke out of a massive wedge. I'm going to show you here in a second. Looks like it's heading up towards about 119, 120. Everything is going, right? We'll come right back to this. This thing is perfect breakout and retest, right? You got the breakout, the pullback for the retest, and there you go, take off. That's why it's best to wait, on a breakout. Wait for the retest, the pullback, and that's where you get in and go. I know how sometimes it's hard to judge where's the retest going to be, right? I mean, I had a problem with that for a very long time. I go on a daily chart and look for support levels, right? Come in here on a daily, and that's exactly what it did. It came back to a daily support. Put a trend line in there, right there. Came right back to this daily, right there. Up here. There you go. It was a daily support. Came right back, right back to over here. Basically, at a wick. There you go. That's better. You had a wick that came down here, touched this bottom right where it broke. It broke there, came back, retested, same exact spot. So go on a daily and put your support levels, and then look closest to the breakout area. Sometimes they come the whole way back down here though too. So you got to really watch for a reversal candle and a big move back up. All right, so Popcat looks like it's working on wave 3 right now. Look at the crypto bubbles. Talk about a breakout. Here we go. We got dominance starting to roll over. Everything is starting to go. And it's looking very good. You got Bitcoin breaking out at the same time, and then you have money trickling down to the altcoins also. All right, that's what you want to see. You don't want to see Bitcoin hogging up all the money, right? Usually when Bitcoin's running, you'll get a couple of things that'll go, and the rest of the market, slowly comes up. You don't have stuff like that. Everything up, 10, 20%. That's a breakout. Right, let me show you this dominance real quick. Look at Myro. Look at this breakout. Look at this falling resistance right up here. Boom, boom, touch. And there you go. Break. We put this over in Discord last night. If you want to sign up and join our leverage trading group or Discord, in the description of the video, you'll see a level 3 membership. It's $15, man. If you come over there and you can't make $15 a month trade, and then leverage trading, then maybe that's not for you. I mean, we have some really great people in there, really great. We have 170 some members, so we would love to have you. Come over, try it out, see what you think. But look at dominance here, rolling it right over. That's what we want to see. It's just about ready to break this trend line here. Coming on a daily. Look at that. It's coming down and just about to touch it. Looks like it's going to be a 5 weight down. Market moves in waves of 5. Typically, looks like a 1, 2, wave 3 coming. That'll be your longest wave, 4 or 5. Hard to say what it'll look like, but I think it's going to do something like that. Did a 382 here. Run back up. It looks like it's rolling over. Bitcoin. Let's show you this breakout. Look at this. Beautiful. Nice big wedge. And beautiful break, right? Like I said, if you're looking for retest areas, you got Bitcoin pulling back right now. Where would you put your lines? Right? You got one up here, right there. You got on the daily. You got one right down here, right about there. In between there, you got that one right there. This one right here. Okay, you go on the daily like this, and then you go in on a 1 hour. Alright, and watch for areas that are tending to hold up. Okay, you can see, yeah, looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5th wave coming up here. Probably get maybe an ABC coming in. We'll have to see here, but 1 hour pulling down. You're going to get a retest here. One of these levels here. 108, 108, Oh, I don't like that number. How about 108,650 and 10, about 109? Look like pretty decent bounce areas. Where's it headed? Possibly up to 118 to 120. Okay, looking very, very good. Once again, the set 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Heading up there. Right, Bitcoin looking very, very good. Right now, let's head back over to Popcat. You got this here. The width of this wedge. Let's take the width of the wedge first and see if that lines up with what we got here. Right. Take the width of the wedge. Put it on your breakout. Pretty close to the same, huh? Went towards 40, 45 to 49 cents, right up in that range. And what is that on the Fibonacci? That is a 618702 area. This market looks about primed and ready to go, right? It really does. This should be up a little bit higher. I apologize. It should be up here. So it should be 48 to 52 cents. Should be where this is headed in the end here. And what you should have, you can see it pretty clear. You got a 1, 2. Looks like it's working on a 3 now. It should be a pretty decent move, right? And the 4th wave pullback and 5th wave up. Popcat looking great. Thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate you watching my video. Thanks for the support, and I'll talk to you soon.